In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up a work profile on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. To set up a work profile is has to be set up with a QR code or a like alphabetical, alphanumerical code from an IT admin at your work, and that'll let you access some data, some different apps or stuff like that from your work. So if your IT admin told you to do that, then you can simply do it in settings, and then your profile at the top, all services, then scroll all the way down, set up work profile, click on next, and now scan a QR code provided by your IT admin or enter the code manually. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.